I have used the phrase realistic movie many times in my videos, like that is a realistic movie, this is a realistic movie, and this and that and so on. But what does the phrase realistic film means? What is a realistic film? A film with supernatural stuff like an alien in it still can be a realistic film because the characters are, the behaviors, the reactions of actions are. So it doesn't matter if the story is from head to toe based on real events. But if the characters are realistic, then that is the film I appreciate most. So as the film with realistic characters result in realistic movie, then how do the realistic character develop? It's always the script, the dialogues written for them. Like as an example, Parson doesn't react like this in front of death, but like this. And they acted on that, not for the director, not for themselves or the audience. They did how it was written in the script. Now as for me, Piku has the best screenplay than any other Indian movie, and you obviously don't have to agree with me, but still, if you do at least 51%, then this is the video for you. As for the story of this film, I'm honestly tired of saying that. I have talked about this film in multiple lists. It's about Piku and her father who fights all day. Her father has constipation, and once they decide to go visit their old house in Kolkata by road where they found Rana, their driver, and on road more drama happens. Besides these top 3 characters, other characters are written perfectly as well. Either the servant or the doctor or Piku's uncle and aunt and even the contractor.
Good evening, Dada. Kya hona chahiye?
This script had gladly owned the national award written by Juhi Chaturvedi, who also delivered some more amazing stories with Sujit Sircar. Now as we know that it's a script that does all the job making a film realistic. Now here is how and why doesn't every film in this world is real. People like to see things that they have not. Movies with rather supernatural powers, aliens and zombies get much popular because we don't fight with the zombies every day.
इंडिया में भूत प्रेत होते हैं, ये zombies कहाँ से आ गए?
Globalization.
Still, films like Alien Train to Busan are realistic because they got relatable human emotions and characters development. But so many movies that are dumb and have no meaningful concept has been seen so many times. So usually people don't care about the difference between a good script and a bad script as they can do with the acting or the cinematography. And definitely it's not a criminal offense that people don't get the difference, but it's better if more people do. And the reason why it's better, I'm coming to now. There are not any hardcore multiple reasons for that, but to be explained as simply as possible, realistic movies are the reason people see films. Because it connects with our lives, we feel related and feelings like nostalgia, melancholia comes all together, and those films are the ones to be felt, not just watched. And these are what movies are for. Piku is a straightforward film that relies a lot on the conflicts between the people, because almost most of the scenes in the film has 2 or more characters involved in an argument from start to end.
ये सब कमर्शियल बिजनेस है, प्रोफेशनल मनी मेकिंग. Why did you allow them to do it?
अलाउ मतलब मैं अलाउ
No, but why? Why did you allow them to do it to their father?
मेरे फादर डेथ बेड पे पड़े हुए हैं. डॉक्टर बोला वेंटिलेटर लगाओ, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मैं मना थोड़ी करूंगा. वो बोलेगा लगाओ तो लगाएंगे, वो बोलो निकालो तो निकालेंगे. मेरे हाथ में क्या है?
मेरे बिल्कुल आपका हाथ में है. तुमको पता है तुम्हारा फादर को कितना तकलीफ हुआ?
All of the fight sequences written with such humor in it and great performances that once again was only possible for the script. Now amongst all these arguments, when finally at few points we see characters are having a calm chat, we feel peace and involved in them, we like them. So every chat in this film that has at least a slight bit of calmness in it feels pleasing. It's almost like having some good time after a rough day, and that's when a film gets truly beautiful.
तुम ये सब मुझे इम्प्रेस करने के लिए कह रहे हो कि सच में औरतों को रिस्पेक्ट करते हो?
शक्ल से नहीं दिखता.
शक्ल की बात नहीं है.
Things to be noticed that there in most scenes the characters are speaking together, like here.
ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस को है.
कैरियर है कि नहीं चेक कर, और जगह नहीं है तो दोनों सूटकेस सामने की सीट पे रख देना.
किधर है?
Or here.
ना जाएगा तुम्हारे साथ. और मैं जाऊंगा तुम्हारे साथ. How can I drive with somebody?
Don't create a fuss in the middle of the road, Baba.
Or here.
ऐसे हर एक घंटे में गाड़ी रोक के साला मेरा भी पेशेंस बाकी
Please
नहीं
mind
बचा
your
है.
language.
No, I have not said anything wrong.
And that's what happens in real life. Usually most movies we see doesn't have these real little details because it's instructed in the script that 2 people are supposed to say the thing at the same time, or also there may be third party dialogues that are simply unnecessary. Piku doesn't have that much, but many well written films I've seen has that. It brings in the real life, and this is a hard thing to add and to write in the script. The screenwriter has to go through a real struggle to write combined dialogues because they have to imagine a real situation as exactly as possible. And when the writing can have perfection like this, automatically the actors perform without much effort, because the effortful performance is when the actor brings out more from the dialogue. Like imagine you have to yell I have abandoned my boy, and you imagine something and then you get this. But that's completely another discussion. Right here, it's all about how the script puts life into a film. Piku is not a film that you see just for once. If someone hasn't seen the film for once, most probably they didn't like it. Because at every single watch, you can focus on the dialogues and events and realize how unique that exactly is. You realize that not every Bollywood movies have that real potential and vibes with relatable emotions. This is a rewatchable movie. It's funny that I disliked this film when I first saw this on TV back in 2016, and now it's one of my favorite movies ever.
अगर किसी को मुझसे शादी करनी है तो
तुम्हारे 90 साल के बच्चे को अडॉप्ट करना पड़ेगा।
बिल्कुल। करोगे शादी?
Hey there, that was the video. Thanks for watching. Lately I'm taking time to create videos. I'll be glad to take suggestions that you can send to me on my other social media handles from the links in the description. Till then, cheers to good cinema.